it's Danny here from Aquatics and Fairies. So as you can see, I'm filming somewhere different. So this isn't just the outside of my house, I am not in my garden, I'm actually in the US. I'm in Atlanta at the moment. I've had a bit of a technical difficulty. So I transferred my videos from my computer to my phone so I could upload them while I'm away. And in that process I checked them before uploading it today and it got corrupted. So I'm going to have to improvise a little bit here. So I have a video on my phone that I'm going to add that's of my cat. Hopefully you appreciate that. Obviously don't have my tanks or anything else here to actually film anymore. So what I'm going to do is just film some of the wildlife that's around me. I did actually see the other day an eagle, and that was so cool, but I didn't have my phone or camera to hand, so I missed that one. But we'll see what we see, and then I'll put that in the video for you. Hope you enjoy it.
Youngsters, there are things to be learned here.
So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the little video. Sorry it's not actually of any of my tanks or anything. I did intend for next week to start the series on setting up the 100 litre tank, the new one in the hallway. But I can't because that was on my phone and has become corrupted. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do in next week's. As of today, which is Friday, I am actually flying down to Miami and then going down to Key West. So if we do some boat trips and that, I'll see fish. So I might film that instead, and we'll see what I've got that I can put with it. I also thought I'd actually update you. For those 4 of you, that's 4 out of 9 I believe, that actually gave me their details, I posted the stickers and everything to you on Wednesday. I thought it'd be quicker to do it while I was in the US to get them to you than have to come from post them in the UK from travel here and then go on. So you should be getting them soon. For the other 5 of you, I haven't got anything. So the ones I have got are Down the Wormhole, Aquarium Cup, the Fish Man and the Fish Guy. So for everyone else, I haven't got anything. So just go to my homepage. The email's on there on the About Me bit or wherever it is. Just copy it as it is because it is spelt wrong in the actual email itself, not on there. So just copy it and send me your details, and then that way when I get back home I'll be able to post them again. Again, sorry for the video. Technology, what can I do? If you did like it though, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments or anything, drop them in that box below. And if you haven't already, then press that subscribe button. That's it for today. Catch you later.